Good morning. So I wanted to share with you about David's curriculum. Are you ready? Oh, David, you still need to do the cover for your binder. Okay. So we've been using LIFEPACs for this is our second year using LIFEPACs.
We started with first grade, now I'm on second.
And before we had Bible and history. He was doing Bible and history first, but those are the ones he tends to like and he does more. So he's way
Bible
ahead.
And math.
Oh yeah, true, David. Thank you. Bible and math is his favorites. So now we just changed the order on his binder so he can start with language arts.
I don't really like writing. I'm sorry if you like writing, but I don't really like writing for some
But you're good at writing too, David. So that's just a hint. So you can balance the speed they finish the booklets. So David's supposed to finish 1 unit per month. So that's how we kind of check our pace so we can get everything done by the end of the school
But
year.
I'm kind of behind.
No, you're not behind. Don't say you're behind.
But
Now
I'm
we're
not-
going to speed up.
I'm not behind on book 7.
See, like, math, he's on book 7. In Bible, he's on book 5. Now he was supposed to be on book 3. And this he just started. So now he's going to spend more time on these subjects so he can catch up. Okay, David, thank you for sharing.
You were the one who was mostly sharing, but I hope you have a good day and bye.